My nerds, I've got something special for you today. A special guest, and this guest is right behind this jacket sweater, okay? This person is, you know what? I'm not even gonna, talk about him. You're gonna love him. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Ha! Joke's on you. It's me. I'm not special.
You are special.
I'm Jaco.
And I'm Justice, and today we're on our It's Gold.
It's gold!
UI, UX badge.
Design and experience.
That's right, that UI, UX design and experience badge. And at the end of this, we're going to be feeling great about our design skills. We'll be able to design our own app, our own website, our own logo, whatever we want. We're going to be smarties, smart nerds.
Yes. Question 1. Let's design the UI, user interface, for a pizza place, website/website. App, sorry. What button should be biggest?
The biggest button on there. All right, like, think about it. People are visiting our pizza website. What do they want? They probably want to order pizza.
Yes.
Right? Big button. Order pizza. Just, make it easy for them. Right there. Big old pop.
Question 2. After they click order pizza, what should the next screen be?
All right, well, of course, the next screen that we should see would probably have a nice list of all of the pizzas to choose from, right? Because, right away, we know they want pizza. Let's give them some options as to what kinds of pizzas they can get from our hot spot.
Like licorice pepperoni. That's my favorite pizza.
It's not. No, it's not.
You got me.
You're lying.
Question 3. Should we have pictures of the pizza?
Uh-huh. Yeah, because you know what? People love pictures of food. There's entire websites dedicated to pictures of food. You can't even eat it. You just look at it and you groan in your tummy. Yeah, people love pictures of pizza.
Question 4. What should happen when they tap/click a pizza?
All right, so they're looking at that list of all those pizza pies. And when they tap or click on one, probably add that pizza to their cart, right? Because they want it. They want it bad. I want that pizza.
I want the pizza. Give me the pizza. Yeah. Question 5. What should they do if they want another pizza? I'm very hungry.
Very hungry. Or maybe they're feeding a family.
Nope. Just me.
Yeah, well, why not make it easy on them and let them tap or click more than one pizza, right?
That makes sense.
I mean, I, as a restaurant owner, want to sell as many pizzas to hungry pizza folks. Why not let them click a bunch of pizzas? Have 10.
Yicky. Question 6. Why are colors important?
Colors, they are important because they kind of affect mood and emotion, right? You know how you feel when you win your bronze badge, that bronzy color, you're like, all right, I kind of got a good idea of what I'm talking about. And then you go on and you earn your silver and you're proud and you're standing tall and you're just feeling great. And you look up and there's the gold just lingering away from you. And you're like, wow, if I could get that gold. And then you go out and you get it. And you got the gold, and that just triggers all sorts of, achievements and
moods and emotions.
Positive emotions. Yeah, so colors do affect stuff like that.
True. Question 7. This is our pizza company logo.
Ooh, nice logo.
What color gives off the creative/imaginative emotion?
All right. Well, this is a little, cool thing. We set this up nicely because we use a lot of purple. The answer for what gives off, the creative, imaginative, emotion or mood is purple. That's right. We can get creative with that purple. We can get imaginative with that purple. So that would be a good color for our logo.
Purple. Question 8. What button should we design for people to click when they're done selecting their pizza?
Yeah. All right. So boom, boom, boom. They've selected They're 3 pizzas. They're, ready to go. Don't do something lame and boring, like end or okay. Think about it. Like they're excited. They want that pizza. How about a big purple button that says, create my pizza or create your pizza or, something along that lines that gets them all jacked up.
Creative.
Yeah, because maybe they picked their toppings. They kind of got a little, creative when they built their pizza.
Yeah. So there's no more questions.
There's no more.
No.
There's no more pizza in the world.
No, not pizza. Not pizza. Not the questions.
Oh.
There's still a lot of pizza.
Wow. I am relieved.
I know this table almost got flipped over. I had to hold it down.
I peed under the table. I was so relieved. I didn't really. I don't know why I said that. I was excited though, to hear that pizza is not extinct and that we indeed did pass our gold badge. That is great.
Gold, baby.
Gold. You're good at that. Boom. We're going to be jumping on to another badge in another land and some other world. And hopefully you go take your quiz and you pass and you can come find us wherever we might be. I'm Justice.
I'm Jaco.
And we'll see you next time, you cool nerds.
See ya.